सर्वोच्च न्यायालयाच्या आदेशाप्रमाण अबकारी खात्यान केल्ले सर्वेत 3210 बार आणि रेस्टॉरंटाचेर हावळ्यात आली। मात सर्वोच्च न्यायालयाचे निमणे स्पष्टीकरण प्रमाण राज्यातले 2000 बारांक फटको बसता, जाल्यार 1000 बारांक ह्या कचाट्यांतल्यान सुट्टात। ह्या 1000 बाराचे परवाने निलंबीत जावचे नात। मात जे 2000 बारांक हो फटको बसता ताका 500 मिटरा भायर वा 220 मिटरा अंतराचेर आपलो वेवसाय स्थलांतरीत करपाक अबकारी खाते तांचेर परवाने विनाशुल्क शिफ्ट करून दितले, अशी माहिती मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार हांणी दिल्या। आरडीएस गोवा खातीर पणजीच्यान सुशील शुक्ला।
Basically, Supreme Court has direction dila with modified order. Initially, when the order for 500 meters came, 3,000 we had identified 3,210 licenses to be in the ambit of that order. With the clarification on 31st, the final clarificatory order, approximately 1,000 licenses go out of the ambit, and around 2,200 licenses still are covered as of now in the survey. आमकां अशें दिसता की गोंयांत काही स्पेशल डिस्पेन्सेशन आसूंक जाय, पण ते शेवटी ठरोवपाचो अधिकार सुप्रीम कोर्टाक असल्यामुळे ह्या संदर्भात सुप्रीम कोर्टा कडेन कितें एप्रोच करतले जाल्यार ताका प्रॉपर डॉक्युमेंटेशन तयार करचो पडटलो, पेपर तयार करचे पडटले, जे पेपर कलेक्ट करणे चालू आसा। ह्या सगळ्याचे विश्लेषण केल्यानंतर जे कितें शेवटी लायसन्सीस उरतले तांच्या संदर्भात the government is contemplating approaching Supreme Court in next 2-3 months for proper clarification and possibly some special consideration for the state. ही लायसन्सां जी आमी रिन्यू करची ना तांकां as a special dispensation the government has decided that if they locate their licensed premises outside the ban area of the Supreme Court, in case of some census town like Mapsa, Margaon, Kunda, if they go outside 500 meters or 220 meters as applicable, then without charging anything for shifting of premises or without charging anything for transferring of the license, we will permit them, of course subject to the new premises fitting into the excise rules and regulation. येवपाचे थंय दवरपाचे, विक्री करपाचे आनी सांजचे आपले घेवन वचपाचे, कोणा काळना कोणाची केळी आहा कोणाची भाजी आहा, and there will be drive way type. Vehicle can drive in, very good. We'll create those toilet facilities, so facilities over here. Maybe a petrol pump is there. So basically a tourist or someone who is traveling will have to go out of the highway, take a small detour, parallel to it, enjoy whatever or buy whatever he wants, fill in petrol, have a cup of tea if he wants, and come out or back on the highway. This is a very common practice everywhere across world.
तशीच सुविधा
करून दितलो. You will find in next 6 months at least 4-5 of such facilities. Not a big facility. Big facility may take slightly more time.